The new Caretaker Committee Chairmo of Ikwerre Local Government Area of Rivers State, Darlington Oji, don yarn say im go put im people first and work for the interest of everybody for the council area. Oji yarn this one when they swear in members of a committee for Elele. E talk say in leadership go follow peace and make sure say Ikwerre Local Government Area remain enviable council for the state. E still talk say in goal na to woo indigenous of Ikwerre Local Government Area from the other divide to join the pro-Simi Alayi team. E charge the members of the committee to use the opportunity to serve the people well.
We will not indulge into any physical confrontation. We are not going to fight any person. Instead, we are going to continue to talk sense into our brothers in the other side to see reason why there must be peace in Rivers State, peace in the Ikwerre local government, so that together we can better our people and prosper our local government. So I want to charge you that the opportunity you have now is not for you to go and intimidate any person. It's not for you to say you are better than the other person. So many persons are from your wards. If you check, we have 13 wards, only 7 people we are selected. Then you must be very lucky and count yourself very lucky and be very loyal to Ikwerre local government people. This is a new era. This is not an era of intimidation and plenty lies. This is the era of telling the people the gospel truth. This is not the era of Ogasi. This is the era of our people say and what they want, and that is what we are going to do. You have been given responsibility in different offices. By the special grace of God, I will be open to everybody. I will be open to everybody so that we can brainstorm and contribute our quota at this time in time that history is being made. Any progress we make in the Ikwerre local government will be added to what His Excellency Sasemelale Fubara is doing at the state. So we must know his style. He's a very peaceful person, and that is what has earned him the most peaceful and the most popular governor in the history of Nigeria as it is today.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we did talk him. We know they take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.